Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how August 2020 will be for Aquarius or Kumbha Rashi. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are Mars in the second, Mercury, Venus and Rahu in the fifth, Sun in the sixth, retro Jupiter and Ketu will be in the 11th, and retrograde Saturn will be in the 12th. So there are more positive planets for you this month. Okay, so what we see is that this month will be a better month than the previous one. So your courage to approach and your confidence to do things will be back. So you will stay more positive. Many planets are favorable for you this month, so this may bestow you with better health and good opportunities equally. Only word of caution would be, don't be hasty in taking any decisions. It may cause you trouble. A rise in position may be there for some, and even good gains for some more. So overall, I would say that this will be a better month for you. In terms of health, eye troubles are indicated. There could be some pain or some kind of problem in the face area. There could be some irritation also. You may have some fever sometimes, it's possible. There could be injury due to accident. Well, that will happen only if you are careless. However, Sun is in a very strong position for you. So Sun will help you to come out of these situations and recover faster. In terms of career or business, for working people, it will be a better month. I mean, when you compare previous few months, this certainly will be a much better month for you. Your confidence may be a little low at some time, not always. Okay, there is a workload which may increase, which may also affect your health. So you have to be well planned and approach the situation. However, you have the blessing of Sun, who is in a positive position. Sun will bring in that energy and positivity for you to face any situation. For businessmen, they will get good support from their business partners. They can initiate some new discussion or execute a new plan in this month. However, there could be some delays which could be observed, but I think keeping that confidence up and staying positive is the key for all the businessmen this month. For students, it's going to be a good month, so stay focused and plan well, you will succeed. In terms of wealth, if I have to talk our gains, better gains are indicated in this month. You may have the courage to invest in speculation and also win. But however, haste can spoil the thing, so you have to be a little bit careful. Also, you have to keep a close eye on your expenditures in this month. In terms of family, if I have to talk, child's health specifically needs attention. Elders may provide you that needed support. Relationship with your spouse will be better than the previous months. A word of caution is that your speech at times may become aggressive or harsh, so you need to take care about that. And sometimes your thoughts may also be a little vague, so watch out for that. Okay, do certain remedies. These are the recommended remedies that you can perform. You can do one or more depending on your time and your energy. Okay, so firstly, I think you should continue reciting Hanuman Chalisa or listening to Hanuman Chalisa every day, because your Sadhe Sati period has commenced. Donating black pepper, books or bananas to the needy can actually do a world of good to you. Visit Durga temple for prosperity. If you want, you can do fasting on Saturdays. Okay, so do these remedies and go through this month with more confidence and positive approach. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.